Your app can't locate the Avutil.dll? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. I've diagnosed the pathing error, and I'm going to show you how to restore the file. Before we get started with Avutil, you may want to try the diagnostic path below to ensure your system is properly synchronized. This DLL file is a core FFmpeg utility library. It provides the foundational mathematical routines, data structures, and helper functions used by all other components of the FFmpeg multimedia framework on PC. With that context in mind, our first logical step is a clean reinstallation. Because the Avutil.dll is required by FFmpeg to initialize correctly, a standard repair is needed. Reinstalling the official version of FFmpeg ensures all required application DLLs are restored to their proper paths. If you're still seeing the missing file notification, we should attempt to force a synchronization between the software and the OS. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Avutil component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. Let's look at a key safety rule that will keep your PC protected while we address this error. If you're attempting to install the Avutil.dll yourself, be aware that manual file placement can lead to severe software conflicts and data corruption. Protect your workstation's long-term stability by utilizing a professional-grade diagnostic for routine environment checks. For users seeking improved system clarity, the diagnostic tool in the description references the Avutil environment. Thank you for trusting us with your system repair today. For more configuration tips and the Avutil error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.